Hello traders, today is Thursday, December 19th. I have the Trade Scalper combined with the Sonic. I have two systems running at the same time. The Sonic is what you're seeing here, why I'm entering short, and then the Trade Scalper is an indicator that gives me signals also to buy and to sell. Now the reason why I'm using the Trade Scalper and the Sonic is because I'd like to combine methods. We have a lot of traders using the Trade Scalper. We have mentorship students using the Atlas line and the Trade Scalper and the roadmap. So combining methods sometimes is a very good idea. Now this specific trade here on the Sonic system is good for 4 points. 4 points is a very good move. Now 4 points is $200. We can change that here in the settings of NinjaTrader. You can see that the ruler can give me ticks, can give me points, can give me pips, but could also give me a dollar amount. So I set it to $200. Now in order to save some time, I'm going to show you the result of this trade. We can use the micros. You can use this on the Nasdaq. I'm using the E-mini S&P, but I have a lot of traders that are using the micro E-mini S&P. You can have a smaller target if you'd like. I'm using the ATR, the average true range, which is built in to the Sonic system. In the settings, you can set it to how large or how small. I'm using the defaulted settings, which is in this case, the Sonic system is telling me that $200 or 4 points is available based on the current market conditions. Now, this is really important. The slower the market is, you could say I want a smaller target. The more volatile the market is, the larger the target should be. So it takes into account current market conditions, and that's really important, especially if you're a trader. Don't use the same target and stop for every trade. You have to adapt. You can see here that it's almost hitting my target here, and it finally went through it. So the $200, the 4 points, was a good successful trade. The previous trade at 58.92 was also a winning trade. That trade was good, a short. The previous trade was a losing trade. So I do want to mention that not every trade is going to be a winning trade. In this case, we've had multiple signals that were winners. In this case, it was the largest trade for $200 in one trade within, I would say, 5 minutes, maybe 6 minutes at the most. And that's the way it should be. Trading should not be complicated. It should be simple. You enter with a target and stop predetermined. You understand what you're doing. You filter out trades, and then you pick and choose throughout the day the best scenario and the best trades to be in. Let me go back and show you earlier in the day the signals with the Sonic system, especially when we add something like the Trade Scalper or any of your other methods. You could see exactly how it compares. Now, in the pink is the Trade Scalper. You see double wick, you see the short signals, but you also see together the Sonic system in the same direction. So you can see there's a short on the Trade Scalper, a short on the Sonic system, a short on the Trade Scalper, and a short as well to sell, all happening pretty much within 2 or 3 minutes. The same thing here. This trade didn't work out, and then this is where we're at right now. So you can see that there are plenty of opportunities that happened, and you can absolutely take advantage of them. Remember, you don't have to take every single trade. You have to take the best trades that make the most amount of sense, the ones that have the best risk to reward ratio. Over here you can see there's a Trade Scalper signal as well as a Sonic signal. They're both going long. They're both happening within a bar or two of each other. We're going to go long. They both hit their profit targets. Here's a short, the short signal to go short on the Trade Scalper as well as the Sonic, and then look what happened. It came eventually down. So these are opportunities that you have. Again, you don't have to take every single trade. Take the ones that make the most amount of sense. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.